Hi, so in this video, we're just going to do 6 workouts for abs. So the 30 seconds each, 10 seconds rest in between while you get ready for the next exercise. And once you've run through that, you then run through it at least 2 more times. So you've done it 3 times in a row and then try and build up. So you run the video 6 times and build up your fitness. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. You're just going to need a couple of these. And if you have one, a kettlebell. So the first exercise is a kettlebell swing. So engage the core, relax the shoulders. I'll put the timer on. Oh. Okay, so the first one is a kettlebell swing. We'll start the timer and we'll give it a go.
3.
So engage the core, soft knees. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Core engage. Really thrust the hips forward. Okay, next exercise. We're going to come and sit on the mat. Okay, hold your weight. We're going to do Russian twists. So to start with, keep the feet on the mat. Make sure the core's engaged, shoulders relaxed. If you feel able to, you can either put the feet on a cushion or lift them up. If it's too much with the weight, do it without the weight to start. Okay, the next one, hip thrusts. We're going to come down onto the mat.
3, 2, 1.
Weight on the hips. And we're going to lift and drop. Lift and drop. To make this harder, you can put the shoulders on a stool, bench, bed, and then lift from there. Keep breathing. The next exercise is going to be bridge with the legs lifted. You can put the feet on a bed or a stool. And we're going to lift and drop. Lift and drop. This will also work the glutes and the quads. You can also do this with feet on the floor. The next one, using a weight.
3, 2, 1.
We're going to lift the arm up and get up. Take it down. Lift. Lift, looking at that arm. Lift. 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 Come down, change sides, bend the leg. Arm comes up.
3, 2, 1.
Lift. Lift, really use those abs. Keep breathing. Last one, bicycle. Core engaged. Fingertips by the temples.
2, 1.
Keep breathing. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Brilliant. If that's your first go or second go, what are you waiting for? Start the video again. If it's your third one, then well done. Hope you enjoyed it.